These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I just found my first trade and took it. This is a doji break, but in fact, doji break line is exactly intersecting the round number. This is the round number. These lines are now round number and they act like a support and resistance. This doji line is matching with that, intersecting. Not only that, we also have this little gap down. See this gap down here? It's a confirmation for buyers and it shows that the buyers most likely are going to enter. That's why I took this trade. There's some other opportunities in this chart as well, that there's some trades that are already played out and I would love to take. For example, this little doji break with the gap down. Yeah, today's market looks good. The point in today's market is just going with the trend, and always, if you have a very healthy trend, keep going with the trends. I want to add my trade right here. It was a first winning trade. Beautiful. And yeah, after this journal, once you import your trades in long term, it will try to analyze, and at some point it will tell you your weaknesses and your strength about your trading style in particular, and in that way it's going to be very useful. These kind of trends are called healthy trends, and the only way that you need to trade them, going with them, never going against them. For example, see, we got this doji break, didn't work. We got this doji break, didn't work. But same doji break from downside, it works. Same doji break from downside, it worked. Same doji frame from upside didn't work. This one worked, but this one didn't. Most of them didn't work because of the trend. You always want to go with the trend. You always want to go with the trend. Okay? I cannot stress that enough. So yeah, I wasn't really planning to have a trading session today, but I just figured, oh, why not? Market looks good, so I want to have just a couple trades. Okay, another doji break. Let's check the trend. Oh, trend coming down. Do I buy this? No, I don't buy this. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to go a very, very tiny trade on this one. Just to show you, okay? I hope it doesn't give us a winning trade, because I want to show you how important it is to go with the trend, not against the trend. We do have a gap down here as well, which is in the favor of buyers, but trend is even more important than that. Yeah, previously also, I've seen some very good setups on this particular chart. See, I've already marked one. This is a decision point setup. Yeah, this is going to be a losing trade, I guess. I'm going to keep looking for another beautiful trade. Let me go back to my original amount. Oh, it's about to be a win. Alright, I'm going to take a screenshot on this one as well. So yeah, this was for the purpose of showing you the false doji trade, but it was a winning trade. Alright, so I want to keep looking with the trend. Always go back, zoom back. Okay, we do have a downtrend right now. We're in the ranging market. If you're in a ranging market, you also have a range that has resistance and support, which you can use it in your favor. For example, if you have a sell setup here, it's also same resistance with the range, also with the downtrend. So that's a confirmation for you. In fact, we do have something here. I'm going to take a sell here, and then I will explain why to take this. We do have good stuff. We do have common point of rejection, this little overlap. In fact, I want to enter in common point of rejection so bad. Please push it up. Okay, yeah. So what is this overlapping level? See that these candles are overlapping each other. So there's a missing candle here, right? Usually these overlappings act just as doji breaks, sometimes even more strong. Okay, it touched that and it's dropping. I will explain why to take this. So this is a support, this is a support. See, both of them are broken, right? So something is causing this breakout. First thing I see in this chart is this. Okay, let me just take a screenshot real quick and post it here. Boom, boom. It's 1,000. So I'm gonna. This is my first trade, and my confidence meter is showing me 100. So psychologically, it's not good to take one more trade. So I'm gonna most likely stop there. So this is an order block, right? You know what order block is. You do have rejection from ups and downs. And if I can mark a fair value gap, it's going to be this one. So we do have an order block. If there wasn't any fair value gap, this would not be an order block. Okay, so this is the order block causing breakouts of supports. And inside that order block, we do have this little overlapping candles, which act like a doji. And on this one, we draw this. We're starting from right on it. Okay, so it's almost like a doji break with this gap up. So that's why I decided to take this sell. And not only that, if we check the last 14 to 15 candles, you'll see that DrGrand is the most that the market gave us. Okay, DrGrand, same DrGrand. So we do have market sequence here as well. Okay, so yeah, that was a very short session for me. If I want to take one more trade just for the sake of video, let me see. Oh, wait, this is a huge QM. We do have this little doji break. It would be against the trend, so I don't like that. Alright, this is another order block, but this is a little bit weaker. And I don't know. See, this is another order block. See, order block, beautiful support being broken. And then the support broken gave us also the third touch breakout, which would be takeable, this little doji. And since we are in a downtrend, this doji break from upside, this would give us this trade. Okay. And it reacted from the order block. This is the order block, right? Let me just mark it. So today's lesson is always go with the trend. Always go with the direction of the trend. Also subscribe this channel if you like more videos like this. Come on, the connection is gone, I guess. All right. I want to go to 10 second. I see some. We don't have any fresh entry for this one, honestly. For this reaction, we do have an entry right above that. Anyways, this is also a demand zone. Beautiful. Yeah, I think I'm going to just stop right here. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you did, drop a like. And if you want this little journal, which I will call the day right now,